take this thing back to its rally heritage.
Inspiration.
Yeah.
There we go.
There she is, dude. So we need to replicate that.
Oh.
You already know we need 4 of these, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. You're delegating this one, getting the livery on.
Delivery art director. God, that's a lot of pressure.
You got it, dude. Just got to make this thing look like an epic rally car. You just have to make sure you can eyeball it roughly the same on the other side.
Looks pretty well straight.
Well, the dent's gonna make it a little interesting, but
Classy. This is gonna be sick. This really isn't bad. We could probably just make the livery out of painter's tape, if I'm being honest.
All right, now we gotta get a second one here.
yeah, that's close enough.
Oh, that's good.
We're good. We're good.
I need to get tape measure out.
I think we can eyeball it. I think that's a good method.
probably good, yeah.
That's a good method.
Good enough.
We'll get it close enough that if you don't look at both sides at once, you won't know.
Perfect. Oh yeah.
We got these out of the box
Okay.
here.
Is this where they go on a traditional rally car, though?
Come up like this.
You think real close?
Like in a row. Center here.
That's a pretty good way to do it.
Yeah, Cheeto finger and all.
We're on there, dude. You thinking right there?
Yeah, let her choose.
That's nice, dude. All right, we need to get these other 2 on there now. Yeah.
Good? Oh,
No.
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 She's,
And the lights
oh,
on top.
God!
Ready? And then you just
There we
Wipe it
go.
clean.
grub the
Wipe-
scorch off.
Yeah.
Oh, we're good.
That's pretty centered.
I think we're good.
That's pretty good.
I'm saying 10 feet, it's a rally car.
Is he laying it down?
Get a nice tack coat going here.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Look at these crisp lines.
Oh my God.
Clean. That's the good stuff right there.
You ever thought about a career in makeup?
Dude, you know what this reminds me of right here? This is an R8. This is literally an Audi R8 right there. Let's take a look at it from really far away.
That is nice.
That's pretty good.
That is the rally car.
It's time. It's looking good.
Good. Where's the aftermath?
Awesome. That's something, dude.
What's on there? This is sweet.
God damn it, dude. You built a rally car.
Proper rally spec.
Sauce.
It's pretty legit.
1 for each side. Edelbrock ones. Good Valvoline, dude.
Valvoline?
Yeah.
I got it.
We gotta send it, dude. Only the best. We're out here, WRC 2018 Church Stage Rally. Let's get it.
Oh no, I'm all over the place! Open her up, come on, let's go!
What's his time? What's his time?
39:30.
39:30 is the time to beat.
Yeah, suddenly I want to be a rally driver.
How'd it go, dude? Did you like
Oh my
it?
God, that's terrifying, dude. This bump right here when the suspension unloaded, I was just like, oh.
39:30 was your time.
It shreds. I felt like I was mobbing, dude. I was.
It looked good.
I was e-brake on that corner.
35:74.
35.
Shit on me.
Oh man, that e-brake works good.
$34.95, dude. So he's in first place right now. It's a pretty clean start. me.
God damn it. All right, who's gonna shit on Tyson? You got this?
Yeah! 3387. Oh my.
3387.
Beat you by.
He's in first now.
You're losing by 300ths of a second, Josh.
Helmet. Give him the helmet.
He said he doesn't want it.
This man's a savage.
Letter E.
Oh, your new leader. Oh! Oh, the technique.
You might have it though. The start was good.
3677.
Damn, it started so promising.
All right, Chow.
You got the opportunity, man.
Show us the Aceto skills.
Oh, man. There it is. Banging it out.
3443.
34.
The freestyle one.
It's one wheel peel for sure.
Luckily, it was the one wheel that would get all over my pant leg if I tried to be a swag boy about it.
Is this the driver's side now?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? It's still running, pin it.
I'm legit scared. YOLO.
That's it?
That's it.
She's had it.
I held it fully matted. That was quite a long time, actually.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
that
It was
really
just
wasn't
idling
bad.
super nice.
Yeah, that wasn't that bad until it quit. Well, that's how long a car will run upside down for. Yeah! Oh, there's like oil all over.
The rally lights!
Oh no, this one's squished.
Pop the hood, dude. Writes the files.
The hubcap stayed on.
Oh! No, the Cosworth. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to follow Braden on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. I'm doing an awesome giveaway that's 100% free to enter. The winner gets to choose between an Xbox One, a Nintendo Switch, and a PlayStation 4. Also, there's a second place prize, which is a $50 Amazon gift card. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, comment #TeamOD on my most recent post. I'll be picking a winner on December 10th.
Perfect.